Global distillation, which is also called grasshopper effect. We will know why it is also called grasshopper effect. First, you know that what actually global distillation is. So, it is a geochemical process by which certain chemicals, like persistent organic pollutants, are transported from warmer to colder regions of the earth, particularly the poles and mountain tops. So, what is persistent organic pollutants? These are chemicals that can stay in the environment for long period of times, can interact with soil, water, and air, and can accumulate in living organisms, including humans, and are very toxic. So, volatile organic pollutants like DDT, linden, etc., are transported from hotter area to colder area, like hotter equatorial region to colder polar regions. And process does not always involve a direct flow of pollutants from warmer region to colder region. मतलब एक ही बार में ये डायरेक्टली वार्मर टू कोल्डर रीजन में नहीं जाता है. Pollutants may condense and then become vapor again in different places depending on climatic condition. This is why this phenomena is also called the grasshopper effect. Global distillation effect is not a one way process. Atmospheric current can carry chemicals in both directions, but net transfer of chemicals to colder regions such as Arctic and mountain tops. Now see the mechanism. The global distillation process can be understood using the same principle that explains distillation used to make liquor or purify chemicals in a laboratory. तो लेबोरेटरी में जो आप डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस करते हैं सेम वही प्रोसेस यहाँ हो रहा है. So, in distillation process, a substance is vaporized at a relatively high temperature and then vapor travels to an area of lower temperature where it condenses. So, and when drops in temperature is large, then these evaporated chemicals deposit. मीन्स सेम प्रोसेस जो होता है वो डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस की तरह ही होता है. और जब टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप जो होता है बहुत ज़्यादा कम होता है वहाँ पे डिपोजिशन होता है वो केमिकल्स का कंडेंसेशन के बाद. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज ओनली इफेक्टिव फॉर सेमी volatile chemicals or volatile chemicals that break down very slowly in the environment like DDT, polychlorinated biphenyls, and linden. Now the effect of global distillation. High level of pollutants have been found in the Arctic and in bodies of animals and people who live there. Even most of the chemicals have not been used in this region. वहाँ पे केमिकल्स का यूज़ है भी नहीं लेकिन वहाँ पे वैसा केमिकल्स को देखा गया है. तो persistent organic pollutants are present in animals through a process of bioaccumulation and biomagnification. And levels are particularly high in animals at the top of the food chain. आप जानते ही होंगे बायो एक्यूमुलेशन बायो मैग्निफिकेशन. तो जो फूड चेन के टॉप पे जो है जैसे कि एनिमल्स जो भी एनिमल्स है मेनली तो ह्यूमन जो होते हैं वही टॉप लेवल पे होते हैं फूड चेन पे. तो उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा बायो मैग्निफिकेशन होगा. एंड इंडिजिनस पीपल ऑफ आर्कटिक हैव सम ऑफ द हाइएस्ट बॉडी बर्डन्स ऑफ persistent organic pollutants. And CFCs or chlorofluorocarbon do not accumulate generally due to its high volatile nature. हाईली volatile जो chemicals होंगे जो pollutants होंगे वो जल्दी डिपॉजिट नहीं होंगे. I hope this video was worth watching. Thanks for watching the videos and please comment on comment section if you have any doubt.